So if you've ever struggled with learning how to expose your image with all the jargon that's out there, there's so much tools and terminology that all cameramen have come up against at one point. So you're not alone. How are you now? And how is she cutting? Let's kick it off because every day is a school day. I'm a working cameraman and video editor with 16 years experience across all areas of video production. And I've come up against every possible video production block you can think of. And across all the cameras that I've used, these are some of the main tools that I've used to get the best image possible. So to begin, let's start with IRE. So IRE stands for Institute of Radio Engineers. It's a scale to measure video signal levels. It represents the brightness of an image, and you can read it using the waveform, which is this thing right here. You can find this on cameras, monitors, and video editing software. Down here is your shadows, and up here is your highlights. 0 IRE is complete black, and anything above 100 IRE is basically where your image will blow out the highlights or clip. And anything underneath 0 IRE can lose shadow details. So this brings us on to zebras, and camera operators use the zebra patterns to gauge where the IRE is in the image. When cameramen are exposing their image, they'll always cycle between the two. First checking skin tones are good, and then you're going to cycle over just to make sure nothing's clipped or blown out within the image. So depending on whether you're using a log profile or a Rec 709 profile within your camera, middle grey will change. So this is actually going to change where the zebra pattern sits on the IRE scale. The camera manufacturer will outline where the skin tone should sit within that log space. So zebra patterns, like the waveform, just another tool so you don't over or underexpose. False color is another tool, but it's more of a quick visual exposure tool. Basically each IRE range has a different color, and that scale shows what each color corresponds to. It's typically used in an external monitor, and it's just used for quicker exposure decisions on set. So we're on to white balance, and white balance basically is the temperature that you set your camera to. It ensures white objects appear white within an image, hence the name. So different lights have different color temperatures. For example, sunlight is 5600 Kelvin and tungsten is 3200 Kelvin. White balance also affects mood and kind of overall artistic look of the image. If you get it wrong, it can be corrected in post, but it actually makes the image suffer. So you're as well off to get it right in camera as best you can.